my name's Simon Bridges, MP for Tauranga.
Clean up for the cup!
Clean up for the cup! Yeah, I'm really right behind this. I want to see people clean up for the cup. It's a great cause. And here we go down here. There's rubbish, here's some broken glass. Clean up for the cup.
Ah, kia ora koutou, how exciting. My boot is full of prizes.
Clean up for the cup!
Now that was within about maybe 5 hours, going around the local businesses. Oh, gift certificates. Well, I'm here with 3 wonderful women that really have got behind Clean Up for the Cup, and they have donated this beautiful prize. It's a surprise, so you have to come down and win. My pharmacy at Bayfair is really getting behind this. Look at what they have given for you. Look at that bag of goodies. Kia ora everybody, we're here at the Mount Beach and we've got Hendrik who has volunteered to show me how to surf. I know it's going to be a bit of a task, but do you think you're up for it?
Yeah.
Okay, so Hendrik runs the New Zealand Surf School. Oh. Ta-da!
Clean up for the cup!
Clean up for the cup.
Clean up for the cup!
Clean up for the cup!
Okay, whānau, now I just want to illustrate how awesome the community spirit here is. Video Easy have not only said that they'll give a prize, they're giving 30 prizes! Freebies, giveaways. Perfumes, mascara. I like those prizes.
Clean up for the cup!
Clean up for the cup!
Clean up for the cup! Clean up for the cup!
You know, finding all this rubbish is actually pretty hard work. You know what I reckon? I reckon I'm a trooper, man. It's been 2 hours. Good exercise. Bad fitness.
Clean up for the cup!
Clean up for the cup.
Clean up for the cup! Clean up for the cup!
Here we go! You guys are troopers! You brought this rubbish in from the beach! You're beautiful little monkeys! There you go, that's for you, darling. That's for you, honey. And Mama, that's for you. Kei te pihia koe, Papa.
Kei te pai.
Kei te pai tō ata.
Pai, pai te ata, pai te kaupapa.
Clean up for the cup!
You did a really great job. Perfect little ambassadors. Wonderful. Thank you so much for cleaning up for the cup. Well, can you say? Now this is what I call entrepreneurs. Look at that rubbish. Yeah, yeah, yeah! Woo-hoo! I can already see some prizes in there. Okay. That's clever. That's out. That's cleaning up for the cup. That is going to win you fellas a whole lot of prizes. Man, look at that.
Siapa ke whenua?
Get it, get it.
Clean up for the cup!
Clean up for the cup.
Clean up Well, the Calais have sponsored me to stay here. They've sponsored Clean Up for the Cup. Still going. Man, look at that. Right, $100 tattoo time for whoever is the biggest trooper and comes to help me when you see me out in this gear, somewhere in the Mount or Tauranga over the summer holidays. So make sure if you see me that you're the first to run up with a pair of gloves, okay?